So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Nintendo Switch just keeps telling you that it can't start the software or that it couldn't start the software. So maybe you're trying to go through and open up the game, but it tells you that either it couldn't find the necessary stuff or it can't start the software X, Y, and Z. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that with your Nintendo Switch that it's fully charged and that you actually are updated for the most part. Nintendo is very stingent on basically how many the updates that you're making. So what I'd recommend doing is going through, clicking into your settings application right at the bottom, going into your system update panel all the way at the bottom, click on system, and try going through and clicking on system update at the top and try updating your system. Sometimes that can be just the main thing that you're going to have to do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here. So go through, update the system, and try seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. If that doesn't end up doing it, you might also have to go through and try seeing if you can go through and essentially try reinstalling or basically try reinserting the game. So if you have the game already, if you have a game card, try taking out the game card and putting the game card back in. Sometimes literally just doing stuff like that can end up fixing the problem too. That's another thing I recommend thinking about. If that's still not working, you can also try going through and try basically seeing if you can re-download the game. Sometimes if you make your way back into your eShop, you can go back into here and you can try updating or reinstalling the game that way as well. That's another really easy thing that you might be able to try doing as well. And if that's not working, try restarting your system. Simply just go through, reboot the system. You can click on the bottom button right here to basically put it into sleep mode, wake it back up, or just put it into power mode and see if that ends up fixing it, and that might end up fixing it for you. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.